Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kissed.
It's Gibi.
By the way, just got in town. Never won't let you in the
Buhay ng mga nag-outing.
ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since we
Sally. Hello, Sally.
This is my dog, di ba? Smile. That's my tomboy. Hi, Blackie.
Excited na ako mag-slide.
Cute.
Luksong ba?
Yeah, ito ito.
If you're in Rita, na ko kayo siya.
Kasi Siri Aro.
Left side ng
I've been alive of a STEM student. So, nag-sign off na ang STEM student. We're currently on a vacation. Hi guys! So, dito kami ngayon sa Mark and Marcy's and mag-overnight kami with my friends. They're there. They're taking pictures and I guess I'll take pictures na lang maybe sa gabi or kapag sunset. Kasi, I don't know, I just like it when I take pictures kapag ganung moments. So, yeah. After taking pictures, we're gonna go for a swim na and I'll be changing. No, I'm gonna be topless na lang. Hi, Day Day. Hello. Say hi.
Hi!
Hi. Say hi, people. Say hi. Hi. No, gusto ko na mag-color ng hair. Hi, Kim. Oh my god. I'll scoop na for myself. Asan ang spoon?
There.
Ang spoon. Here's the spoon. Oh my god, look at this. So good. So
What's sorted?
say hi to the vlog.
Hello.
Say hi.
Hello nga.
Good. Your chef behind all this.
Totoo ba? Sa SBU na daw.
Say hi, Chef Day Day.
Totoo ba? Sa SBU na siya na?
Hindi Basically, I pranked my classmates na I'll study sa SBU. Kasi nag-note ako ng Bayan Verga sa USBU. Meaning to say that tapos na yung recognition that day, sabi ko, goodbye in Verga, hello SBU, Samantha Beatrice U, which is bahay ni Alena.
Head cup di tata to.
Rate it out of 10.
Yes.
Yes. Oo.
The texture. It's giving.
It's giving. I love it.
Dapat pala, nag-impake na ako kagad papuntang ano.
Yeah. It's not too sweet. And the mangoes tastes right.
Hello.
Wala na bang magpapapicture?
Ang tama.
Kuya, may ibasa ko na sa
Evan, say hi to the vlog.
Hello! Ano naman fresh? Ang fresh ko dyan.
Yes. That's Ivan. Like, Ivan is like our mother. Mother is mothering.
Mother pa.
And yung owner ng SB University. Sa SBU na ako mag-aaral. Hala, bastos.
Oo naman.
Kami.
Ako din daw.
Gimme. So, isa pala siya sa gumawa. Si Risa. I give her 10 out of 10. Not biased. Like, tastes good.
No, you should be biased.
Pero my aunt also make mango sago. Shout out kay Mama Ambi. Yung kay Mama Ambi, I give that 100 out of 10.
Biased.
Yeah.
Amin 10.
Ang ginamit yung condensed ay yung mango na flavor. That's why.
Nainig pa lang ako eh.
Ay, wait lang! Ganto kayo! Ay, ganto kayo! Kinatawa yung bahay nila, ganun kayo! Daddy's my kasama mo yung bago.
Say hi!
Ganun kayo!
Mga mukha eh, oh.
Wait lang!
Rate it out of 10. Bryn.
Palit na ano.
Palit na! Palit na mo ako.
Hi sisters! James Charles here.
Hindi ko sinimit.
Okay. Ano?
Tara, Sam!
Sarap! Ano ka?
Sam!
Sorry.
Let's go!
Suso ko. Ay, charis.
Ganito kami lahat. In this tropical island, sitting white sun.
His new go crazy.
My baby, I'm a lady.
Pantropiko. From following your footprints in the sand, walking with you
On this island,
guided by the grip of your hand.
I can see you holding my word.
Ano ba itong nadarama?
Oh shucks!
Ito ba'y pag-ibig na?
Oh shucks!
Totoo ba ang pinadama? Cause boy, it feels so good. Sumasaya pag mula na makita ka. Nawawala ng pangangamba pag ika'y kapiling na. Feels like summer when I'm with you. Parang islang pantropiko. Can't wait to go back with you. Sa islang pantropiko. Pantropiko, oh. Ay, pantropiko. Bini Teya pala to eh. Pangalan nyo akin. So we're gonna go for a swim na. Bye! Sa talong, panaguhog. Hi vlog! So we're preparing food. Kasasamuka ng mga hayop.
Saan?
Dito
Hindi, walang inasal. Palaglag ito.
Ayaw niyo pang kumain to eh. Basta-basta niya, dami ay.
Hindi fair!
Uy, pasandukin mo ako.
Yung dessert namin ah.
Akin to ah. Akin to.
Nung alak ha.
Bini!
Dito lang sa loob dito.
Patatas talaga. Iban, patatas.
Iban, tingin mo.
Hoy, magtira ng pulutan.
Pulutan, hindi na.
Sige. Pero magtira din, just in case.
Sabaw. Tingin itlog, may itlog pa, Iban. Tatlo kami dito. Yeah.
Hi guys, so we're currently it's so chaotic down there because we're taking pictures. They're all crazy. And I took a lot of photos and TikTok videos and it was so fun and I really love it. Mwah. I enjoy this moment, and to my future self who's watching this, you had a great run. You had a great teenage life and you have amazing friends that has your back and that supports you on your stupid shits or yeah, on whatever that you do in life, as long as you don't hurt anyone or don't step on people. To these bitches that ano, hindi na ako narinig ngayon. I love you all so much and I appreciate everything you've done for me. And I will forever cherish our precious moment, and yeah, I love you all. Mwah. Love lots. Oh, and one more thing. Take care of the people that take care of you. If, like, there are some people that are parang afraid to lose you, like, they don't care about you in your lowest, wala don, even in your highest, then they're just nothing in your life. Wala silang ambag sa life mo, so you just need to let go of a few people and to cut them off and to keep the golden ones, the precious ones that deserves your love and your efforts, even though they're so chaotic. Yeah, love who loves you. Okay, bye. I'll see you later because we're gonna have a little chit chat and a little party and some games, and I'm not gonna film that because I think you know what's gonna happen. So yeah, but I will show you the photos. I will upload it on Instagram. I'll only pick like ano yung photos that I think I look good the most. Yeah, I love it. Also, one of the reasons why I'm saying goodbye is kasi lobat na ako and I'll recharge and then I'll vlog later. Okay, bye! So, but yeah, live update. This is what's happening. We're in the pool taking pictures and everything. Mga naga-mafia pa.
Stress na nag-vlog ko.
Hindi, ano yan? Hoy!
Mark Andre, go!
Ganun ka. Akala ko yun. Pasok to sa memories ko.
Parang lambot yung kan. Hindi yan, yung matigas.
Okay lang yan, Skari. Gatay ka lang naman eh.
Sos yun.
Ikalat mo yung sauce.
Grassy.
Yun, ang unti.
Sarap.
Kulati yung sauce. At ako'y makain. Sarap. Sarap ng panis na kanin. Ko. Buhay ng mga nag-outing na walang kwarta. Pero sayang yung kanin.
Huh?
Sayang.
Ang dami nga. Sayang. Hindi natin i-asus kanina lahat.
Magandang umaga, Pilipinas. Pero kung oras na, pero we need to go home at 9. Kasi 9 kami nag-check-in. 9 magsasara yung mga. Hi Ryan.
No. I'm sleepy pa.
Hi Ivan. Hello, good morning. Hi Saya.
Hi, good morning.
Woke up like this.
Wow.
Butig mo eh. Nakabos ka na. Kami na, pagluloko.
Ayun lang kasi tawa oh.
Si Iban, baka lumaban si Iban.
Woke up like this.
Yan. Woke up like that. Woke up like this ka pala eh. So yeah, I just need to prepare para umuwi. And yeah.
Prepare for pagka-uwi. Nakahiga ka pa man.
Okay, na-update ko lang. Actually, naka-prepare na gamit ko. Isang hakbitan na lang yun. Ibabag ko na lang yung towel tsaka yung ano.
Masaya tayo bago uwi.
Beka. Sawa na ako. Sa
Uy, nakuha mo mo mag-reklamo.
Hi, Saya. Zia.
Oo.
That's Joel.
Siya, girl.
Kamasama ko.
Siya.
Hello, Saya.
Oo, akit siya.
Si Koy. Si Zane. Samantha. Happy Father's Day, Ivan!
Lagi sa bag.
Like this.
Again,
Ikaw na.
you woke up like
Nandiyan ka na.
this.
Oh.
Mas fresh ako kasi galing ako sa chlorine. Sarap ng sauce. Masarap kahit walang yes. At yung kanina, patis.
Kailangan namin na gabi yun.
Mukbang kami kagabi. So, lahat is nagpa-prepare. Kasi pauwi na kami. So, yeah. Yeah, ako masapit. Hindi pauwi na kami. Si Kim. Hala, ba't amoy chlorine dito? Ba't amoy chlorine?
Sorry po.
Yan, langoy pa. Puyat pa, magang-maga mata ko.
Ako din. Ang sukot na yung mata. Nag-settle daw ko.
Sumaksoy. Napalubog yung Adam sa apple ko.
Ba't mo naman pinapalabugan?
Na-headlock bag ako sa tubig yung inilalim mo. Ginanon no. Oo.
I love it.
Digit wala nakalunok na no, maraming bleach.
Ba't ka malunok ng bleach?
Tingin ka lang ako.
Yung short ko.
Yung aking black, di ko alam kung ano na.
Baka-abot lang ako kaya ni mama.
Black yung ano.
Nasty girl. Nasty girl.
Asa na si Conte?
Girl.
Thank you lang. Thank you lang. Sibilin mo na.
Gawa kayo ng playlist.
Hello!
Daily dose of Tally.
Hello, you're my favorite. Wait, girl. Ito na. Nag-ano kasi kami. Nag-noodles. Nag-noodles kayo pareho.
Kaming dalawa. Kami. Yun.
Si Ivan na.
Oo, naiyak ka.
Naka-video.
Hello.
Hindi ko na video yun.
Sayang.
Ang sarap!
Koy!
Koy, pig!
Zia, i-upload mo na yung video mo.
Kaya kain.
Deliver kayo doon? Takip po. Tama mo.
Hindi ko alam. Dalawang lomi, tapos 4 na Mountain Dew.
Oo.
Chat ko kay mami, mauwi na ako.
Oh, Minyong!
Hindi mo ko, mamaya pa kumauwi. Lahat ng paghihirap at pasakit sa katawan. After ng lahat ng gulo, magulo pa rin kami. Hey guys. Say hi. Ulit.
Bitch looking bad and got a stupid black. Jewelry on your wrist, fucking hold it up. When I holla speed, I be pull fuck. Being free, but we run dirty. Flying with your boo, yeah, that's my dirty. My sister in the backseat with a 30. Niggas trying to shoot that shot, Stephen Curry. Talk a bitch, nigga, show no mercy. Do the pussy bitch dirty. Shit like sexy, why you hurt me? Took him down up the Yorkie. When you give me that dick all on my backside. I'm a hood bitch sitting courtside. I show up pussy how this back ride. Little bitch, I'm from the north side. If you see me, you tryna see what's up. If you wanna fuck with me, then I'ma have a sub. Bitch looking bad and got a stupid butt. Jewelry on your wrist, fucking hold it up. When I holla see, that ain't fuck. Quarantine fire and I fast as fuck. I'm looking good when I'm hopping out that truck. Where the hood niggas at, they get them bucks.
Love it. I love
Bitches
it.
big, sexy, I'm the chosen one. I drop a bag on your head, I got a lot of fun. And I got them shooters in the cut, they got a lot of guns. Put my little nigga on your ass, he gon' blam some.